In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color swatches on product pages in Shopify Dawn theme. We'll cover two approaches: using the Dawn theme's built-in swatches when they're available, and using variant meta fields when you need custom colors, textures, or image-based swatches. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without guesswork. Start with the built-in option. Open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your Dawn theme. In the theme editor, switch to a product page template using the template selector at the top. In the left sidebar, find the section that controls product options, often called Variant Picker or something similar. Change the selector style from a drop-down to swatch. If you see a toggle for Show Custom Swatch Images, turn it on so the theme can display image-based swatches. When you're done, save your settings. A quick note on how this works. Native Dawn swatches are designed to automatically detect standard CSS color names such as red, blue, or black. If your variants use unique labels like Sunset Sky, or you need patterns and textures, the automatic color detection won't match what you expect. In that case, you'll rely on meta fields or custom code. Also, this swatch feature is tied to certain versions of Dawn, generally newer releases like v13 and later, and sometimes to specific theme conditions. If you don't see the swatch option, it may be due to your theme version or configuration. For more control, set up variant meta fields. In Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Custom Data, and open the Variants section. Create a meta field definition for a color swatch. Give it a clear name such as Color Swatch, choose a namespace and key you'll remember, and set the type to color if you plan to store hex values. If you want to use images or textures, add another meta field definition for a swatch image and set its type to URL or file so you can upload or reference images. Next, assign values to each variant. Go to Products, open a product, and select a variant. Scroll to the meta fields area. Enter a color value if you used the color type, or upload or link the swatch image if you created the image meta field. Repeat for each variant so every option has a matching swatch. Finally, make sure your theme reads these meta fields. If your Dawn version supports custom swatch images, enabling Show Custom Swatch Images will let the theme pull from your meta fields. If not, you'll need to adjust the theme code in Liquid and CSS to render the swatch elements using the meta field data. That's it. Clean, flexible swatches using Dawn's tools or meta fields, depending on your needs.